Alright guys, so I'm just here in English class, just got back from the nurse's office, and I passed my hearing test. So basically what that means is I have pretty good hearing in both ears, and also I did a vision test. And, oh yeah, heard that. And my teacher here, we're just about to work on an essay. And basically, I'm just about to go get started on that, so see you guys later.
Bye.
Alright guys, so basically just like, comment, and subscribe if you've ever heard something before, and make sure to subscribe to me so we can get to 10,000 subs. Thanks guys.